Saturday, August 24, 2024, St. Bartholomew. Focus. How do you know me? Imagine being accosted by a perfect stranger who has intimate knowledge of you without even having met you. It would be unnerving, to say the least. This was Nathanael's experience on meeting Jesus. Nathanael was noteworthy not for his outward looks, but for the purity of his heart. He was a living example of the beatitude. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Jesus' discernment of Nathanael's true nature reveals a profound truth. God's vision transcends our facades, reaching the essence of our being. It is this purity and sincerity of heart that Nathanael personified. Qualities that Jesus immediately noticed, acknowledged, and celebrated. Jesus' recognition transformed Nathanael. He not only followed Jesus but took to heart his call to spread the gospel far and wide. And he did it with such fervor that he even embraced martyrdom. His transformation is a testament to the power of Christ's perfect knowledge of us and Christ's vision for us that transcends all human understanding. Like Nathanael, we are known to God in our fullness, and like John, who saw the chosen marked for heaven, we must ponder what inscription we desire to be written on our hearts. Fruit. In the spirit of Nathanael, let our attitude be one of purification, casting aside whatever is unclean in us and leading by example.